Why cruise ship living is the retirement dream you didn't know you needed and how to make it happen. Hey there, future retirees. You've probably heard about people retiring to sunny beaches or moving into a cozy little cottage in the countryside, but what if I told you that there's a whole new way to live out your golden years? One that includes endless sunsets, exotic locations, gourmet dining, and no lawn to mow? That's right. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cruise ship living for retirees. Yep, you heard me right. Living full-time on a cruise ship. It's not just a vacation anymore, it's a lifestyle. But is it too good to be true? Well, I'm about to answer that question, and trust me, it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. But before we sail any further, make sure to like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends who are thinking about retiring. After all, they might just want to come on board for this ride. See what I did there? Now let's set sail into the world of cruise ship living. So, what exactly is cruise ship living? It's exactly what it sounds like, living full-time on a cruise ship, making the ocean your home and traveling to different ports around the world. Imagine waking up to a new destination every week, sipping coffee on your balcony overlooking the Mediterranean, or exploring an ancient city every month. It's like a permanent vacation, but with all the amenities of a luxury hotel. And the best part? You don't need to worry about mortgage payments, property taxes, or dealing with home repairs. Your floating home comes with everything: meals, entertainment, medical care, and even housekeeping. Essentially, everything you need to live in luxury while exploring the world. Sounds like a dream, right? But hold on. Before you grab your suitcase, let's break down why this is becoming a hot trend and whether it's really as amazing as it sounds. Let's talk about the reasons why cruise ship living is becoming so popular, especially among retirees. Believe it or not, living on a cruise ship can actually be cheaper than maintaining a traditional home. Think about it. No mortgage, no property taxes, no upkeep. The cost of living on a cruise ship includes your meals, utilities, transportation, entertainment, and medical care, all rolled into one price. For some retirees, it's a better deal than paying for a big house and all the bills that come with it. Plus, if you're like me and don't like the idea of shoveling snow or spending weekends mowing the lawn, this could be the perfect solution. Living on a cruise ship means you get to visit multiple destinations without having to pack and unpack every time you want to explore a new place. You wake up in a new city or country every few days with new adventures right at your doorstep. Imagine spending 1 week in the Caribbean, the next in Europe, and the following one in Asia. You could literally become a citizen of the world without ever leaving your home. Reason number 3, endless amenities. From world-class dining options, entertainment and swimming pools to fitness centers, libraries, and even medical facilities, cruise ships are built to make life as easy and luxurious as possible. It's like having a resort right outside your door, 24/7. Okay, it sounds fantastic, but is it for everyone? Not necessarily, but here's who might be the perfect fit for this lifestyle. If you're someone who's already looking forward to downsizing, loves to travel, and doesn't mind the idea of moving every few days, cruise ship living might just be your dream come true. But let's break this down. If you've spent your whole life daydreaming about seeing the world but haven't had the time or money to do it, this could be the perfect way to retire. With the ability to visit dozens of countries, cruise ship living allows you to experience places you never imagined. It's like living in an Instagram ad for retirement. Let's face it, once you retire, the last thing you probably want to do is handle maintenance or stress over bills. With cruise ship living, you can say goodbye to the hassle and enjoy the simple life. There's no lawn to mow, no pipes to fix, and no snow to shovel. Just pure relaxation. One of the coolest parts of living on a cruise ship is the community. It's not just about the staff and the luxury, it's about meeting other like-minded people. Many retirees choose cruise ship living because it offers a built-in social life with fellow travelers. You'll have endless opportunities to meet new friends, join clubs, and take part in group activities. Now, while cruise ship living sounds pretty amazing, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and considerations before jumping on board. While cruise ship living can be cost-effective, the upfront cost may surprise you. Full-time cruises aren't cheap. You're looking at anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000 a year for a single person. depending on the cruise line, ship, and type of accommodations. So, it's important to ensure you're financially prepared for this new lifestyle. Remember, this isn't a mansion on the water. Space is often limited on cruise ships, so you might need to embrace the minimalist lifestyle. Your living space will likely be smaller than what you're used to, and there may not be room for all your worldly possessions. But, hey, less stuff, more freedom, right? If you've never been on a cruise before, you might want to consider how you handle motion. Some people get seasick easily, so before you commit to full-time life on the high seas, take a few test cruises to see how you feel. It's not all smooth sailing for everyone. Ready to set sail on the adventure of a lifetime? Here's how to get started with cruise ship living for your retirement. Research cruise lines. Not all cruise lines offer long-term living options, so do your homework. Some cruise lines are known for offering long-term options for retirees. Compare packages, amenities, and destinations. Plan your budget. As I mentioned earlier, living on a cruise ship isn't pocket change. Make sure to set up a realistic budget and consider the long-term cost. Book your cruise. Once you've done the research, it's time to book your first long-term cruise. Many cruise lines offer extended trips, often lasting months or even years, so you can get a feel for life on the water. All right, now that you know all about cruise ship living for retirees, it's time to decide if it's the right fit for you. If you've enjoyed this video and think your friends need to hear about this retirement lifestyle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. You could be the one to help someone else set sail into the retirement of their dreams. Thanks for watching, and here's to smooth sailing in your retirement. Catch you on the next adventure.